That's the promise behind Hidden AIO, a checkout automation tool built for resellers. But here's the real question. Does it actually give you an advantage over manual checkout, or is it just another tool promising to help you win limited drops? Hidden AIO is designed for high-demand releases across retailers like Pokémon Center, PopMart, Walmart, Target, and the UK High Street, all through one automated system. And it targets one major problem: speed. When a limited release goes live, manually refreshing, finding the product, adding it to cart, and checking out can simply be too slow. Hidden AIO replaces that process with an automated pipeline built by the team behind Hidden Society. Getting started is relatively simple. You launch the bot, it validates your proxies and modules, and then you configure your tasks using keywords, URLs, or variant IDs. From there, the system handles the process through 6 stages: monitor, detect, cart, checkout, confirm, complete. The idea is simple. Instead of sitting there waiting for a product to drop, your tasks are already running and ready to react when inventory appears. Under the hood, Hidden AIO advertises support for over 100 concurrent tasks, CAPTCHA solving, and an adaptive bypass system designed to respond as retailers change their defenses. It currently covers 29 live retailers, and multi-profile isolation allows you to manage different profiles separately. And there's also some social proof behind the product. The WAP listing includes recorded member sessions and examples of successful checkouts, giving you more than just a list of features to look at. Now let's talk about the cost. Hidden AIO offers a free public community tier, while full access costs $49.99 per month, with the option to cancel through WAP. So, is Hidden AIO actually worth it? If you regularly compete for limited releases and losing drops because you're too slow is costing you opportunities, the automation and speed could make it worthwhile. But if you only buy limited products occasionally, a monthly subscription may not provide enough value. And there's one important thing to keep in mind: automation tools like this may violate some retailers' terms of service, and there are no guaranteed results. So I wouldn't look at Hidden AIO as a guaranteed way to win every drop. Think of it more as a tool that automates the process and helps you compete on speed. The link is in the description. It's an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission if you join at no extra cost to you.